Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Among Us to full screen display. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find Among Us option. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find Full Screen Mode option. To set Among Us to full screen display, enable Full Screen Mode option. And this is how you can set Among Us to full screen display. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.